Hey guys, what's going on? This is John Fears. Welcome back to Fearsman 26. Today, we've got another unboxing video. It's been quite a while since I've done an unboxing video, guys. I can't even remember the last time I did an unboxing video. But we're back, and this time we've got a themed unboxing. All these boxes are Star Trek: The Next Generation. So I've been looking forward to this for a long time. Haven't been able to film an unboxing video in a while, but we're back, and I only have 3 items this time. Money's been kind of tight lately, but I assure you guys, the next unboxing video I do, tons and tons and tons of goodies. I thought we'd go biggest to littlest, and I've already pre-opened this box. I don't know what's inside this box. There was so much tape on the top of this, it would have took forever to open this box, and the video would have just kept going on and on and on and on. So for quickness, I took the tape off, so it's easy access, just like that. And anyway, without further ado, I can't wait to dig into these, and I just want to let you guys know, I've got the tricks of the trade here, the tools. I got my phaser, and I got my tricorder. Now the tricorder, in case anything looks suspicious, we can just scan these, and make sure everything's good, And if any Klingons decide to enter this door and interrupt us, bother us, I'll be like, hey buddy, and phaser him. So there it is. Okay, let's dig in. I'm really excited. Alright, first thing we open up, we've got tons of these things. Look at all this. Tons and tons of this. Oh my gosh, it just will not stop. Good Lord. Where is the thing? Oh, there we are. Ugh. Alright, so we've got Shadow Picard. Now, if you guys remember, Jean-Luc Picard and his family made this. So Jean-Luc Picard made this in the series, and he made it in the movies, guys. And his family was famous for making wine. But Jean-Luc Picard decided to go into Starfleet, and his brother decided to go after, do what his dad did and make wine. But, so it says, and the bottle is very detailed. So it's a nice movie prop replica. It says 2267, Shadow Picard, 2267 in La Brère, France. I like it. I like it. And the bottle's not too heavy, guys. And the detail, it is a sticker, but the stickers are very, very detailed, and it's the right color bottle. This is the exact color bottle that they used in the films and in the show. So very nice. I'm just gonna put this over here. Great. Okay. Okay. Get rid of that. Alright guys, so far no Klingon. So I don't need to use this just yet, so I'm going to put this over here. Alright, next one. Okay, I think I'll cut this from the top. Cut this from the top. Okay. What we got here? We got a movie. We got a movie, and man, they really package these things pretty good. So. Okay. All right. We've got an original VHS cassette tape of Coming of Age, Star Trek: The Next Generation. Now, this is from Season 1. This is one of my favorite episodes, guys. It is about Wesley Crusher trying to join Starfleet. So he goes to take his exams, and I'm not spoiling anything, because I'm sure you guys have all seen this, but he ends up failing. But his friend right here, his friend helps him, and Wesley says basically like, even though I helped him, if Wesley wouldn't have helped his friend, then Wesley would have gotten to Starfleet. But the better thing to do was to help his friend, and all of his classmates and his teachers really admired him for doing that. So basically it says, when a brash Starfleet commander boards the Enterprise to conduct a top-secret investigation, Riker gets the impression that he is the subject of the inquiry. But after Riker hears the investigation asking crew members about Captain Picard, he realizes it is the captain under question. Meanwhile, Wesley Crusher takes the grueling Starfleet entry exams that may launch his Starfleet career. Picard struggles to defend his reputation. So there's two plots going on. There's the thing about Captain Picard, and then there's the thing about Wesley Crusher. So they jump back and forth. I highly suggest this episode, guys. I love this episode. But yeah, this will go in the collection with all my other VHS tapes. I love VHS. I love vintage, so I thought it would be a good find. So yeah. All right, very last one. Now, I don't know about this one. This box looks a little fishy, guys. So Fears is going to use his tricorder. Let me just turn it on. Okay. I think we're good. All right, here we go. Okay, so here we go, guys. Now this had to be in the collection. This is Encounter at Farpoint. This is the very first episode ever of Star Trek The Next Generation. So this had to be in the collection. So it's pretty good. It's a little frail on this side, but not too bad. This was the most nicest one I could possibly find off the eBay. Now it's coming back. I do recall ordering this one because I think this was the last one that I ordered out of this entire collection. So if you guys have never seen Star Trek The Next Generation, I highly recommend it. It's my favorite out of the series. I mean, I love them all, but this one's my favorite. If I had to pick, it would go Star Trek The Next Generation first, then the original Star Trek, then Voyager, then Enterprise, then Deep Space Nine. I didn't really care for Deep Space Nine. To each their own that like Deep Space Nine, but I like episodes of Deep Space Nine, but I don't like it as a whole. And then I haven't checked out. I've only checked out a little bit of the new one, Star Trek Discovery. So the things that I have checked out about Star Trek Discovery, it's pretty good so far. But anyway, yeah, this is the very first episode, and basically, Encounter at Farpoint is basically about Picard meeting his crew for the very first time. They show you kind of like each other's jobs on the ship, and then Encounter at Farpoint, they encounter this entity at Farpoint Station, and they're trying to figure out what this entity wants, what it's all about. And basically it says, beamed aboard the Galaxy-class Starship Enterprise for the classic first-time full-feature premiere episode of the acclaimed TV series, Star Trek The Next Generation is the newest brand of Star Trek. While on a peacekeeping mission to Farpoint Station, the Enterprise is overtaken by a godlike adversary, Q. Now, Q is another subplot, but Q is basically this entity that they don't know what about, and Q is very interested in humans while they're trying to do this mission to Farpoint. And it says, Q, who places the crew on a trial for the crimes of humanity. Captain Jean-Luc Picard just has 24 hours to convince Q that humans are not a grievously savage race. Also, solving the mission of the entity at Farpoint Station. If Picard fails, he and his crew must face Q's sentence of death. A thrilling first adventure of Star Trek The Next Generation. So, yeah, this is a good pickup, guys. If you haven't got this in your collection, if you're a nerd like me, it's definitely worth getting. This was only $2, I believe. This was $2. And I believe, if memory serves me right, the glass was around $45. So this was the most expensive thing, but really I got a deal on the VHS tapes. The VHS tapes were only $2 a piece. This one, the guy said was only a year or two old because, you know, like whatever he bought it was only a year or two old because of the scratch marks on it. But this one is brand new. This is brand new. This is still in the plastic, so that's really cool. Alright guys, I just wanted to give you a up-close, detailed look at the things that I bought for this unboxing. Right here, Counter at Farpoint. Then we have Chateau Picard. And Coming of Age. So, I hope you guys really enjoyed this unboxing. Again, here's another detailed look. My favorite thing out of the whole collection today that I bought was the glass bottle of Chateau Picard. That'll be a great movie prop replica piece to add to my collection. I do like the VHS tapes, but my favorite is the Chateau Picard. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed that unboxing. Again, if you guys haven't got these in your collection, I highly suggest getting these in your collection. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to FearsMan26. Like, comment, and subscribe. We got some epic things coming, guys. At the end of this week, I'm going to a horror convention, so tons of footage for that. And then at the end of this week, after the horror convention, I'm going to my very first movie premiere. My friend Don Callahan, he's a St. Louis filmmaker, guys, and he made Superman World War. So it's a big fan-made film project. I didn't get to be in the film, but I got to help shoot some behind the scenes. I helped set up some props in some scenes, but mainly I shot a lot of the behind the scenes. And the DVD is coming, guys, soon. So I'll keep you guys updated on all the information with that. And I must apologize. I edit as fast as I can, guys, but I'm telling you guys this stuff now. But if it comes out a little bit later, just bear with me because I've got a lot of footage that I'm behind on. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I enjoyed it too, and just keep watching. More to come. Anyway, this is Fears, audience, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye. I'm just going to take this and booze it up.